Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior Hill TV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make we help grow the platform. You know see. And you see for all of them where I say, me a PNP blogger. Or we only there when me nail up Philip Paul on the cross, the MP for the constituency where I and I come from. You know see, it's them selectivism there and them party fanatism there. Why bro God and him wife can actually be the dictator where them is today and I behave the way them a behave across the country and everybody turn a blind eye. You know see, because nobody no ask or no diligently question why after the police hit squad argument come up at Armand Barracks, the Prime Minister no order, no serious inquiry into that, Rasta. Why? Jamaica people just make that slip and bro God every minute with clerks and all them thing that a serious implication, a serious repercussion for them thing there, any involvement or any creation or any such force within the civilian population of Jamaica, Rasta. And it was evident that it was so because them did get caught on a job doing one of them very same job there. Hence the reason for the scandal at the time. And it just sweep under the carpet. Where old man like Wildy, Father Fowl, all them man there, big high profile man, regardless of them criminal past or criminal reputation and thing like that. All them man they just disappear off of the planet, so you know, no argument, no further investigation, no question, that just quiet down and silent. So while we know so them man, them money, they put them above certain access. You know, certain people accessing them. You know, it's not the ordinary hitties. I go accept jobs pan them type of man there. One is British. You know see it? You know see it, Rasta? High level of corruption there and Jamaica people just quiet and accept it because of government badness. You know see, them know themselves now go fear any much different from them people here if them show any form of concern regarding them demise like that. You know see, yeah, I know we say so, and them say so, say that them a deal with. And right I know from see the quiet behind the Rasta community, even Rasta, who is normally a verbal entity against them sort of oppression, yeah. Even Rasta, quiet, and just a take it and not say nothing. You understand what I said? The threat level is that serious and significant. That some serious players just keep themselves quiet. Gone are the days when you used to have political analysis and political, what they call it, opposing views, like Mutty Perkins will talk up and say anything when feel like about a prime minister or about a leader in power. You don't hear nobody with them level, you know. these days, you know, you nobody make certain challenge and a question certain things these days. Well, not a questionable. I mean, there's a whole lot of things to be questioned. You know, say, you know, man, why Rasta? Why? Some man know where we come knock him door. Even Sizzler know where we come knock him door. The whole of them is aware of the seriousness of the type of government where I lead them this day. It's straight badness. You see it? And if you don't want, you can go back, go look what going on in the pandemic. When the people are under a certain level of oppression, whether it be by force of nature or whatever. You see, people are living under oppression, Rasta. And if a man open his mouth and raise any form of concern or opposition against certain rules where the island never faced before, I mean the world never faced before. Yet if you question these things, where right here now, them things that seems like, so them rules and regulations that seem like them never even did necessary at the time. We can't say anything we want to say or not. Still. You see? Yet still man find themselves if they apologize and make a mockery. Citizens were made a mockery for having any form of, for question anything where the authority or the prime minister come up with. You see it? So we know say there is this nature of this tyrannical nature will exist and nobody can deny that. You get to me, I say. And a them thing there, and once make it look like so well then is an offense or because a guy afraid or can't talk. Nobody else mustn't say anything. Because we have this nature where if a man walk past you and fart, based on how the fart sound, you can tell it's a labor right, that, Yeah, Jamaican is that good. If a man belch, them can tell say it's a labor right that or a PNP. Or is a PNP that, All our dog, them can tell say it's a labor right goat that is a PNP cow that, You hear it moo like a PNP cow, the animal them, Rasta. If you come from over the side there, you is one of them. You see it? Worse if you have something to say against your leader. Now, the leader them push them sort of nonsensical behavior amongst the population, Rasta. And it is being maintained today at the biggest defense. Once you raise any concern regarding them or about their labor right, man. See it? So now worry yourself, whoever you are, who claims or think I am a PNP blogger. You have PNP where you say me a labor right vlogger. You see it? And here what now? The thing was most obvious in front of the wall of uno sideline that. Rasta political party, Rasta politics. Bigger than both PNP and GLP. I mean, a Rasta, and none of you see that, None of you see that. This is the channel named Warwick Hill. You see it? And PNP were non-functional these days. PNP now no structure. None these days, Rasta. As far as the PNP I know. You see it? You see it? Yeah. I have some form of concern or complaint or something to say against or about the PNP. What the PNP I do, sure, I tell Rasta, how come it now make the news? Social media did it, where GLP them popular upon it, permit it, be a trolls. See it? I am certain them wouldn't have left out any form of corruption and any form of representation and law breaking or whatever the PNP them are going with these days. I'm sure them wouldn't make no mistake about publicating that, Rasta. And I would get wind of that. You know, see, it's what platform is about without a problem, without a sense of that. You mad? You say I did that day, Philip Paul, well, MP for East Kingston and Port Royal for 25 years. I celebrate the milestone. And a big bun me give me, I said, what you celebrate? What you do? What you achieve? You know what I say? What the people, what sort of development, what sort of growth, all the people benefit under your tenure. I man do that. Regular too. The wickedest run them when we run from politician is Philip Paul. Well, you know, see it. Now, on a rush, Rasta out of Bobo Hill and down a bag of corruption. And because everybody under threat of duress, threat to health and well-being. That is what it is, Rasta. Sizzler talking good, I get him head bust off. Keep it under the same thing. All of the man, them vulnerable. Every man open and vulnerable to this government badness, Rasta. Because I wrote them there and the whole of them have to survive. You know, see? Yeah. It is what it is. Even the man them up at Bobo Hill, afraid for call the name and call the spade where it is. See? So for them brutality come as a result of political warfare. And because we are the least concerned to society. And we, in terms of care and protection, you know, see, we are the easiest thing to get away with. Everybody see Rasta as less than themselves in a Jamaica, except where the profit is concerned. When it comes to showcase Jamaica to international community and things like that, and they want to show authentic culture and representation of self, them use Rasta as a propellant. You know, see? But when it comes to issues like them, anybody can get away with it. Because the next thing them will put Rasta to is a madman. That. Yeah. See? So a guy easy to lean on the weakest fence. And it already established that black people can't hurt nobody else. And just themselves, them have strength for, because again, are the easiest crime to get away with. Worse against Rasta. Rasta can't save you from prison. You know, see, the government can. MP can say two things, write two letter, shield you. How comes when I say, not this damn thing where PNP start where them I say, the leaders have done, or done leaders and things like that, where them, where if gang war start in your community and thing, them come for that done there. And just can't go through him in a prison and charge him underground there and you gone all a trial too. I can't remember what it name. I can't remember where that damn thing the name, but everybody who me talk to, we have sense know. Or when I hear that apply since the GLP come in power, when are the last time you hear somebody get charged with that? With them sort of thing there. You understand me? PNP start a war against itself where it basically institute laws will eliminate dance and dan connection and things like that. Yet still, if you open your mouth against GLP, you is a PNP, even as a hot stepper like myself, yeah, Rasta, after all that the PNP has done to itself. I wonder if the GLP have any concern regarding this same argument here, our theories, and themselves. No, so no, enough man. No, immune to the wrath of the government badness. What we are talking about. You know, see? Yeah. Yes, Rasta. We there, man. We're not either. We live it, you know. And a guy now come give it right now a master I want to call white people when I see them out the road, you know. Yeah, man. Because I'm tired for I live for them dream. And them set the stage and how them want it to happen. It a happen. Why should I carry on the folly so that a guy can feel good? I don't feel good about the deal. I not enjoy no part of it. You see, nothing change as far as I'm concerned. A guy just shame for the word call, for him being called the word. Why should I oblige him, Rasta? That's the only thing change. Nothing else not change, really. Yeah, a few things change, but still, not to the degree where we can say a guy don't feel that weird about himself. A masterhood, you know? Anyway, that's another argument this day. This day is about the oppressive nature of the GLP government today, where some people are living a suppression and can't even open their mouth, and you have other facilitators where paid, you know, see, paid for do a service to maintain the status quo and the stupidity. By coming in a man page where I come talk about, why you couldn't say a Rasta this a different Bobo Hill? You know a true, so you know, friend them, you know, no. So a friend them a move with some like a vampire mentality. I take Mali pan hungry belly and I go down there go earth Rasta, a peaceful group with not chopping no body. It's like a lion just go in a vegetable patch, a cabbage patch, go root it up and turn them over and kick them over and gone. It's like a lion. Vegetable farmer, if you look out for lion and hyena, flesh-eating animal. It's like a that a go on, Rasta. You know? No pun intended. But it's like another one where the sense, oh, them money and oppress are becomes an enemy when them was never such. Rasta more associate and align themselves with the cause where get a youth find themselves in a, we even push them towards a certain agenda. No ghetto youth never usually see Rasta as a threat unless it comes as a political order or it have some political sentiment attached to it, Rasta. We're not stupid, we're not either. It's the history. Yeah. A hot step I make Bobo Hill could have out this one secure. Yeah, stepper. The man them never go up there so as no lamb to no slaughter. The man them go out there and them have them link, them align. Steppers, gangsters, whatever you want to call them, never used to see Rasta as a threat. Rasta is more a man to tell us the dog along there so you know youth. Me just pass Rasta man nah. I went since Rasta pass danger and come see a stepper. No matter how great, you know me I say, can you have some boy where you know really like them still, you know. But you not really pass them and make him go down this and walk in a ambush and thing like that, Rasta. You not do it. You tell a man say, yo, brace man, don't go down this so hot. Regardless. Me don't know if that change or when that change. So it's hard for I man there and even consider, perceive in a I self say anything like that could have contribute to the violence we perpetrate on Rastafari up above Bobo Hill. You know, see, politics. And if it wasn't so, one phone call, because every politician understand and would have recognized the oversight, the small-mindedness, not just to themselves as a, not just to them constituency, but to the whole image of Jamaica itself. You know, so them themselves sit by and watch some little loose people do that to Rastafari. Whether Rasta ask or not, only use Rasta so much as a, you know, like me say, for highlight. It deserves the protection. Whether Western are supposed to ask for it, but uno show a uno endorse and embrace and a shine light and a go on it no thing. Or uno for sit down and watch this happen and not say nothing and stay so quiet and not offer no protection to Rasta. Eh? We not ask that, you know, cause I some boy a chat. I want to, no man. If me they a dirty man, I want to, no man. I worry Kyle that, you know. I want connection. You know, if you cross no border, no bridge. I want to, no. When I hear that, man. A big man, you know. You know, see, someone who never know the weight of a rifle, like M16 or a AK-47 with a clip full. How far you can walk or run with that go? As a young boy. This day, when I bring badness to my thing and I talk about me, this or me, that, I want to the juvenile or entertainer we can't find a hit song. No bother with it, man. Because we're not there for romanticize certain things and blow out trumpet. We're not there for that. We're there to try to make the youth them know a certain level of consciousness and I point out corruption. You know, see it? We don't like it or not. We don't want to call it politician or whatever. Matter of fact, Rasta are the biggest political party from Jamaica, in Jamaica. Rasta are the only politics will affect outside of Jamaica, from Jamaica. Yes, well, Michael Manley, democratic socialism does. Is applying in Germany today, Singapore, places like that, even Britain at times. And it do very well. You don't see it is Jamaica alone. But Rasta, apart from that, Rasta, apart, you know me I say, apart from Rasta, that might have been the only other political ideology where take root in a foreign land, you know, transcend languages and all them sort of thing there. You know, see it. Because Singapore don't speak well. They're not going at that. You know, see it. So for when I hear that, you know that we keep a clear eye on it, though, but I feel like this a part where this at the end we just make you know our position, who it is and what it's about. And remember, say it not done. I want him to know. It not done. Look here, the priest go dash him with a bush and nobody don't know where him there. It not done. Yeah. We give thanks.